Yo, what is up with your boy AM?
It's 12 p.m.
And we're here in San Francisco and we're going to be checking out the San Francisco Museum of Modern Art. How excited are you to be in a different spot and going to see some cool art?
I'm so excited. It's been unbelievable being in a new city I've never been before, and it's been a total blast. I'm excited to go look at the art.
Yeah, me too. Got a water picture right here in the back. So we've been walking around and it's been pretty awesome. So we're going to check this out and take you along with us. That's where we're headed. Into there. Wait in line.
Yeah, there's a section over there. Yeah, that's just CCR, that's awesome.
Pretty cool. Rock and roll.
Oh, this might be third generation. Yours.
Walking down the stairs onto the next part of the museum. So far, it's been pretty cool. I've been enjoying myself, looking at all the cool installations, and we move on. This is really cool. What?
I figured out why it's so dark and morbid.
Why?
It's from Germany, and like they made these paintings at like 1945. So that explains.
Wow.
It almost looks silly, but it's cool.
It's crazy. You know, when you think of modern art, this is what you think of. Interesting. Another 4 done. We're headed on to some more exhibits, which is be pretty exciting. It's pretty cool here. Definitely, if you're in the area, check it out. All right, so we're here at the Photography of You interactive part of the MOMA experience. And PM is an artist per se, has various works that she's given out to people. And this is her portrait. Look at that. Pretty accurate. Look at that. It's pretty cute. Oh.
I tried to draw me, but also be more expressive. So I tried to make myself kind of glowing
Okay.
with love and hearts and hope.
All right, we'll put it up on the wall
And
then.
there's some other secret stuff.
There is. Yeah. Right in the middle. Wow. Look at that eye.
I messed up. I was working with golf pencils, but a true artist can work with any medium.
You heard it here first.
Art.
All right, we just finished up our time over here in MoMA, which was pretty awesome. As you can see in our video, and this is AMPM from San Francisco. And as always, we give you a big fat